Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Part 3 of this. Didn't really need to make it, but I'd always kind of wanted to try this. I'm going to put the black on top. If you might be a little confused if you didn't watch the last video, but we intersected this to make it look like it was going over, under. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make squares every other item and just make sure you get all of it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to move this out of the way and this out of the way, and we're going to group this together, Control G. That makes that all one piece. Now we're going to select this and move it back. Now we're going to select our box, which selects all the boxes. And then we're going to shift select the black and go intersect, and then move those out of the way. Look at it, did them all at one time. Now we can either get rid of our boxes or just kind of nudge this down. Probably easier just to do this. Now we're going to put this back up, but now we're going to put the gray on top. So we're going to select the gray and we're going to go to Object, Order, Front of Page. But then we're going to take these and we're going to go Object, Order, Front of Page, and then just nudge them back. Now we have them going under, over, under, over. Now that wasn't that big a deal, so I thought I'd show. I mentioned earlier it would be pretty neat to have a hotkey for the intersect tool. So we're just going to make one. We're going to go to Tools, Options, Customization, and go to Commands and type in, well, a lot of times if you do this, let me just close that. Well, there it is. And I'm going to type in intersect. But you really never know, I guess if I spelled it right. There's the intersect tool right there. So we're going to click on it and we're going to go to shortcut and we're going to type a new, I don't know what I'm going to call it. I'm going to maybe call it I, but that's artistic media. I'm just trying to think of something you don't normally use. W, you just have to kind of think about it and assign it and then say, okay. So now when let's put the black on top, go to Object, Order, Front of Page, and let's get the box. It is selected, Shift select the black and go W. And then what it did, it intersected that black box. The other way, this is only if you're ever doing one, but you can move it over here now. And so the other way I just did it's perfectly great. Shift select that and go W, and it's going to intersect that part. Kind of cool if you just remember, and you could name it any key that's not been used. I could have probably named it, if you do a two-stroke keystroke, then it doesn't really save you any time to go up here and hit the intersect tool. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.